Pretty close to sunset here. We'll look at radar and satellite imagery. For our viewing area, coastal Carolinas, things are really looking great. You can see that there is a line of severe thunderstorms moving through the upstate of South Carolina, just moved through Atlanta. It's a very, very long line there. There was a couple just outside the Greenville area. We are not expecting severe weather for tonight, but that will be changing once we get to tomorrow. Those details will be in just a bit. For your Viper 13 real-time radar, look at this well-defined sea breeze that has been pushing inland. It did bring up a couple of teeny tiny showers. There wasn't any thunderstorm activity and things are mostly dry right now. Partly cloudy for tonight. There is going to be some on and off storms for tomorrow and then some better coverage for those storms tomorrow night into early Tuesday morning. Some of them could be severe. We do have a severe outlook in place. Things will dry up quickly though on Tuesday morning right after the morning time commute. And then for the rest of the week, we're looking at very dry conditions. So now for your futurecast, a pop-up storm is going to be possible with that sea breeze, but you can see we're going to be mostly clear and calm for tonight. By 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, a little bit of activity is going to try to spark up here. Some more passing showers by the late morning. Then we get several hours of sunshine, not a lot going on. Once we get to the evening time, beginning in the western part of the viewing area, and it's going to be heading towards the east and also a little bit to the south. That's when we're going to see a couple of potentially some stronger storms here. We see these little black dots here. That's indicating that hail is going to be possible. It's going to be moving pretty quickly. We get a full coverage event by 9 o'clock in the evening time. Everybody's seeing some heavy rain here and there. It doesn't look like there's a lot of hail at that point. But then as that pushes down to the south, the thunderstorms get a little bit stronger offshore. And then by 3 o'clock, the PD's dry, the border belt's dry, and then that front is going to be pushing everything else out of the way. And by the time we're really commuting on Tuesday, it looks like the rain is going to be gone, and we'll have some sunshine for the late morning time. So for tomorrow, we do have that severe outlook in place. There's an enhanced risk for central North Carolina and including Richmond, Virginia. Our viewing area is under a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. It does include a 15% hail and wind risk, and it also has a 2% tornado risk in there. So we're definitely going to be watching these storms very closely for tomorrow. The low temperatures for tonight now, wrapping things up. We're going to be 74 for Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach, lower 70s for Florence and also along the border belt. Highs for tomorrow are going to be very, very normal, but it's still very hot and humid, but you know, it's June. We're going to be right around 92 for Florence, Marion, and Lumberton, mid to upper 80s along the coast. The heat index for tomorrow likely going to be triple digits for portions of the PD. 101, the feel like temperature in Marion. The coast is going to feel like the mid to upper 90s. At the beaches, not the best conditions with the scattered showers and storms, especially late in the day. Winds are going to be a little bit gustier for tomorrow, southwest at 10 to 15, waves 2 to even 5 feet, and there is going to be a high rip current risk in effect. So a lot of activity to talk about for tomorrow. Also, Tropical Storm Cindy expected to die out by tomorrow afternoon. And now for our local trivia question. The hottest temperature ever recorded in Horry County occurred June 27th, 1952. How hot was it? Last day for this trivia question. To see the answers, go to our homepage. And now for your 7-day forecast. Forecasting the upper 80s for the entire week, mostly for the beaches. Best rain chance is going to be late Monday night into early Tuesday. Inland, you're going to be ranging from 90 to 94 all week. But once we get past Monday,